Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. Today we have unboxing here. Special unboxing, I guess. I had reached out to Saltzmans watches about sending in some watches for presentation on the channel, and they agreed to send a watch over. And actually, this watch here will become a giveaway item. This will be separate from the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. Getting there. Once we get to 2,000, then I'll give away a watch for that. This will just be a giveaway on its own. So, getting this out of the box here. I'll leave a link in the description to their Instagram and their website. So as you saw here, I'm using this little Victorinox knife, and also this one here. I've had this one for a long time. Maybe even back to Boy Scouts. I can't remember if I've had it that long. I know I had another one that I lost or was stolen from me, but anyway, why I'm using these knives is because this watch here is a Victorinox watch. There we go. I think I have a Victorinox peeler and a kitchen knife too, so it's kind of funny how they branch out all over the place. But so anyway, let's get into the watch. Looks like there's a little ghost, well, a logo there. I guess I'll call it a ghost logo. You can see the impression there. Let's see what else is here. A little instruction, quick guide instruction manual. It says 3-hand quartz watch, so you don't really need an instruction manual. Maybe to change the battery. All right, so here we go. Nice box. So here is the hang tag. MSRP $395. 241849 is the model number, and then there's the SKU. So let's set this off to the side. I think I can just pull one of these off. I don't know, we'll just leave it hanging for now. Looks to be a little bit larger of a watch. Okay, it looks like a rotating bezel, but it's not. It's a fixed bezel with the minute around the dial here, around the bezel. Not sure what the arrow's about. I guess it just shows you 12 o'clock. So yeah, I'm so used to mechanical watches, it kind of a little weird for me to see the second hand just ticking away there. I don't know if this is, I'll have to look up the specs. I don't know if this is mineral glass or sapphire. Yeah, so I guess it is correct. It is Wednesday, September the 8th. I think I'm going to release this on Friday because I already have a video planned for release tomorrow. Which, well, I'm talking about the future or the past, however you want to look at it. So anyway, let's get this on wrist, and then we can close out the video. Just a quick unboxing here. I think that's just kind of plastic on here. It almost looked like it was scratched up, but it's just the plastic, I think, or maybe there was a little bit of a scratch here. Oh well. It looks like it's rubbing off. So anyway, let me get this on wrist. Butterfly clasp of sorts. What is going on with this thing? It's like a safety clasp and then a butterfly clasp. That is interesting. I've never seen that before. Okay, so that's what it is. Let me know if you guys have seen that. I have not experienced that before. There's a safety clasp with the butterfly clasp. So if you just try and open the butterfly, it will not open. You need to open this safety clasp first. There we go. Okay. All right, let's try that again. Okay, very interesting. Looks like it has split pins here. I'm really not sure what is it there. Let's zoom in here real quick. I'm going to have to look into how to size this. If it's a split pin, there would be an arrow on there indicating which way to push the pin. And you would see, well, you would see a split on the pin, obviously, on one of these sides. And I'm not seeing that, so I'll play around with that off camera. But let's just get this on wrist for now, and then we'll close out the video. Let me zoom back out. And I will mark this as a paid promotion. Even though I'm not getting paid, they lent in this watch, which I will then give away to one of you guys. So let's get this on wrist. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of butterfly clasp, and this one's a little more special with the safety clasp. Looks like that's at least a half link there. So we do at least have one half link. So we should be able to get this sized fairly closely. And I don't know all the specs out. Like, again, I'll look that up and I'll put it in the full, we'll talk about it in the full presentation video here. But there we go on my 6.5 inch wrist, and then I'll zoom out for a little bit better perspective here. So if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Like the video and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this watch. If you have experience with Victorinox, especially this, also if you had with this clasp, I've not seen that before, so that's the first. And that will conclude today's video. I might lose a fingernail on that. Oh yeah, push-pull crown, not screw down. Victorinox Swiss Army stainless steel. Oh, it is a sapphire crystal, so that is nice. Swiss made, of course. And it says water resistant 100 meters. All right, so that will conclude the video. As always, thank you for taking the time. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.